What's up guys, Sean here. So yesterday I got up to fly a flight plan with my Parrot ANAFI, and it's been a couple months, so I had to do a firmware update to 1.6.8. You know, whenever I do firmware updates, I used to complain about it, but it actually improves my drone every time I do one of these. So I sped up the firmware download process and the update just to show you guys what was going on. But I was very impressed with the connection that I had to the drone the entire time. In the past, when I've flown this flight plan, I've lost connection, and you kind of pray that your drone comes back. But I didn't lose connection at all this entire time. Now, a couple things I didn't like, and you'll notice some connection issues here because I'm hiding behind the house so that I don't get in the shot. So that's a line of sight thing as opposed to it actually having bad connection. The fact that I'm going through my house and over several houses with Wi-Fi shows that it has a really good connection. But what I didn't like about this is from the last couple points, I went in a straight line, and then by the time I pointed back at my house, I completely missed my house in this flight plan. And I was trying to figure out when I made those changes, and I believe it was when I decided to make it a perfect loop. That was when things changed, because I want to do a time lapse in the future, and I want to do a perfect loop would be great. But we're losing connection right here just because I'm hiding on my back porch so that I don't end up in the shot. But I mean, I wouldn't have been in the shot anyway, so I really didn't like how this footage turned out. So what we're going to do is we're going to change the flight plan by going to the path between point 6 and 7 and adding a progressive course. What that's going to do is I've got point 6 pointing at my house and I've got point 7 pointing at my house. And what that's going to do is it's going to make the drone point at my house the entire time. So I'll get a nice reveal of what's going on. All right, let's do it, guys. Check it out.
I think about us calling. I think about us, I think about us falling through the dark night and through time, towards the light when you'll be mine. I think about us, I know the dawn is for us. I dream about us, I dream about the stardust. A dream of how it started and how it's all connected to everything we'll ever do. I think about what the future's holding for us. I think about the gravity and how you are pulling me.
Alright guys, that's it. Hope you guys liked this video. Please like, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell for notifications when I put out more videos about the Parrot ANAFI, drones in general, action cameras, live streaming, all the good stuff. As always, there'll be links in the description to get any of the products that I talk about or use. And yeah, have a wonderful day guys. Peace out.